This morning we are happy to be joined by Tiana Fisher, who is with the Joplin Humane Society, and we are also joined by a very furry friend. Tiana, who is this?
This is Jackson, and Jackson is a 1 to 2 year old beagle. Look at the camera. He is so sweet. He's all beagle. I will tell you that. He is all beagle. And he is just an absolute love.
All beagle all the time. I have to ask, when you get dogs like him in, I mean, how hard is it to not take him home yourself? Unless you have thousands of dogs at home. He's just so cute.
It's tough because we get some absolutely amazing animals here at the shelter. Not just beagles, but we get everything from cute fluffy kittens to big dogs. The occasion, he's like taking up the whole screen. To little dogs. So we see everything here at the shelter, and it's really hard not to want to take them all home.
So, and maybe he can answer this question. I mean, what has the winter been like for you guys? Of course, 2020 wasn't an easy year, but how have you guys been making it through as we kicked off 2021?
No, we have been very blessed here at the shelter. We have a really great support system from our community. We have amazing volunteers, and we've actually had a lot of people looking to adopt pets. So it's been really a great start to 2021.
What do you tell people who are thinking about it? You know, they saw what 2020 does in terms of getting us outside and, finding ways to just stay active and the importance of it. I don't know. I mean, when people come in, what do you say to them when they're sort of in that in-between phase of, I'm thinking about it, but I don't know?
We encourage people to do their homework, make sure that they are ready to make the commitment to that pet, because that is a lifetime commitment for that animal. And then we help match them up with a great pet that will help them get out and get moving. Dogs love to go hiking. And so it's a great way to get that pet out and get him exercise, as well as getting yourself out and getting some exercise. So we go over all the different options with them of things that they can do with their animals to keep them active as well as themselves.
Well, another thing that you and I talked about is the fact that this is not just, in terms of getting involved with the Humane Society, it's not just adopting dogs. There's a lot of different roles that people can fill.
Yeah, we are always needing people to come out and volunteer. And by volunteering, you can help walk the dogs, socialize the cats. We have office stuff that people can help us with, as well as helping with our clinics. We also need people to foster pets for us. So fostering the tiny puppies and the tiny kittens till they're old enough. There's sometimes where it's just a couple of days, and sometimes it's a couple of weeks into a month. So there's lots of different opportunities to support the shelter and the animals that are in need of homes.
Well, what kind of family or household do you think he would do best in?
He's going to do great in an active family. Somebody who's on the go. He'd probably like himself a kid or two to hang out with. Beagles are go, 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 and then nap. So kids are usually great for that. So he's so cute.
He knows how to promote himself. Wow. Well, if you want to learn more about this guy, we'll have the information on our website. Just go to komnewsnow.com. You too. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Oh, thank you for having us.
All right. We'll be right back on the KOAM Morning News right after this.